Okay, today we're going to learn how to simplify radicals. In order to simplify a radical, what we want to do is we want to do something called a factor tree. In order to use a factor tree, you need to know your prime numbers. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at number 1. Now number 1, what we're going to do is we're going to do a factor tree. So we want to find a prime number that will go into 52. So I know that 2 will go into 52, so I'm going to start there. So 2 times what is 52? Well, 2 times 26 is 52. So then I want to do the same thing to the 26. What prime number will go into 26? Once again, I know 2 will go into 26. So 2 times what is 26? 2 times 13 is 26. And then 13 is also a prime number, so I have factored this into all prime numbers. So in order to simplify, what I want to do is find all the ones that I have doubles of, because a square root means for every 2, I take out 1. So I'm going to circle the 2's, because there's 2 2's. Because I have 2 of them, I can bring 1 out of the radical. So I can say 2 square roots of whatever's left, and I have a 13 left. Therefore, 2 square roots of 13 is my answer. Now I'm going to look at number 2. Number 2 is a little bit bigger number. It's the square root of 180. So once again, I'm going to do my factor tree, and I want to factor it into all prime numbers. So I'm going to factor it, and I know that 2 will go into 180 90 times. You don't always start with 2, but 2 is a good one to start with if it will go into it. So now I want to do it to 90. So I want a prime number that will go into 90. Once again, I know 2 will go into 90 45 times. Now I've got 2, 2, and 45. Now, is 45 a prime number? No, it is not. So what is it? Will 2 go into 45? No, 2 will not go into 45. So I've got to think of another prime number that would go into 45. And I know that 5 will go into 45. 5 times 9 is 45. Now, is 9 a prime number? Well, no, it's not. 9 is not a prime number. So I'm trying to think, what prime number can I multiply to get 9? Well, I know 3 will go into 9. So I've got 3 times 3. Now I have all prime numbers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to circle the ones I have doubles of. So I have 2's and I have 3's. I have doubles of those. So I can bring 1 out. So I can bring 1 2 out, and I can bring 1 3 out. And then what's left in my radical is a 5. So now that I've brought it out, I need to multiply those together. What's 2 times 3? 2 times 3 is 6. So I have 6 square roots of 5. And that is my simplified radical.